guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and I really appreciate it. I make videos every Tuesday and every Friday, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support to my channel, and I really hope you're enjoying my content. And in today's look, I'm doing this kind of classic grey, black, silver smoky eye with a bright pink lip. Perfect for a night out or whenever you want to wear this look. Just you choose basically, but I just love it. I love this just for going out and just looking a bit glam and a bit extra. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start on the eyes now. I've got everything, like face makeup on and the eyebrows done, just like to do the eyes and lips. But I'm using W7 Seduced palette, which I said in the intro, so I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to go for like a nice kind of grey, black, silvery, smoky eye, just a classic one. And I think this palette is amazing for that. Just look at them colours, like, oh, blind you with that mirror. But them colours are just amazing. Did a review on that and I'll link it down below if I remember. So yeah. So I'm going to use that grey shade here on the fluffy end of the brush that comes with the palette. And I'm just going to put it into like the crease and like just a transitional shade, just that wee area there, just into the crease. I'll move it in closer. I think it just works better that way. So into the crease, then I'm literally just working my way up, and I'm not sure if this lighting's any good. I might need to put the other light on, but I'll do that. Just I'm literally just working it. I make sure to blend it kind of up towards the eyebrow, but not on the eyebrow, like, or anywhere like near that wee highlight area, just towards it. And then just take it kind of into that outer corner just to create a base. They kind of create a base just for the darker colours to go on. I'm taking that one underneath, just squashing the brush like that, and that goes underneath the eyes, like, hang on. So, like that. Actually, I will put that other light on, hang on. I'm going to mix the black and the grey on this fluffy crease brush by Jessop's, and it's going to go into the crease but not as high as the transitional colour. And also the outer V area, so I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing here. Taking it into that outer V area first. Oh, it's very dark, but it'll get blended out, so don't be worrying. So, into the actual crease, and obviously I'm taking the hair because I've got hooded eyes. So, you just want to like work with it and just blend as much as you can. I'm trying my best to show you what I'm doing. So, then just kind of run that a little bit above the crease. A good tip for hooded eyes, just relax like your eyes as you do your makeup, just to see where it's going, and so you can place the colour above like your actual crease so people can see it. My eyes aren't as hooded. My eyes aren't as hooded because I've lost weight, but before they were actually like quite hooded. But I definitely still do the technique, just kind of relaxing the eye a bit, just obviously looking up just to kind of get it in there, but like relaxing when you kind of placing the colour just so it kind of goes above the crease and you can see it and it looks like nice. But I'm just taking them two colours underneath the eyes, just squashing the brush, the same technique as I did before. Hang on. Taking that excess on that edge there. You can access that. So it should look something like that. Just kind of really smoky. And then I'm going to go in with that black just on this pencil brush from Jessop's. All the brushes except for the double-ended one are from Jessop's, so I think you know that by now if you've been watching my videos, but yeah, just taking a wee tiny amount just on the brush. And this is going to be like the outer V area, just that edge, to really deepen up that wee corner. If you can see what I'm doing, would be nice, wouldn't it? And then just the same on the other eye. Just, and kind of like blending it onto like that half of the lid, not a half, but like the kind of wee outer fourth, just kind of flicking the brush and blending it in like that, just to create that nice smoky effect. And take a bit more, then in with that crease brush, like the ones from Jessop's, and just gonna go around the edge of that. And with that wee fluffy end of that one, then just around the top edge of that. It's all about building and blending just to get the desired result, and then just in with a bit more of that black. Just, not the black, actually not more of the black, but on like the wee brush that comes with the black, just, but not adding more product, just to kind of re-emphasize that wee edge in there. But you can add more black as you want. Then again with that fluffy. And just kind of eyeballing it to see. I was taking more of that black, and why is that? Just hurt my brush. More of that black just to kind of go underneath a little bit, just to kind of outer edge there. And I'm going to take that oyster shade here, just on a flat but fluffy brush from Jessop's on the brow bone. Just literally on. You can see there, like, it just gives a nice highlight. Just taking a wee pinky finger in the same kind of shade, and then just popping that like in the inner corners like that. Just literally. I like to have it like nice and bright, so I'm going in a couple of times just to really intensify that. You may think, oh, that's a bit too much, but I don't care. I like it like really kind of bright in there. So yeah, I'm just playing around the edges of it. So she did look something like that. Then I'm taking the flat end of that brush into that. Let me see where silver shade. That one there, one beside the grey. And the shade names in this palette is really, really small, so it's like hard for me to really read them. So yeah, but you can just figure them out anyway. Because I'm sure like half these aren't as like side challenged as me. Just kind of taking on that lid space where like I've not placed any eyeshadow. Just really packing it on. Really should move in closer. So just like that. Just getting that wee edge there. And the flat brush it has a black on it just to kind of go around that. Just around that wee edge. Just like that. I'm going to apply my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be back. So I've got the rest of my makeup on, well, apart from my lips, but I'll just show you what I used. So for eyeliner, I started out with this one. It's like the Revolution. It's a liner Revolution, but I don't think it's that good. It's hard to be like rude or anything, but I did try it. I couldn't this side, like, then it just looked beautiful, and then I tried it on this side and it looked all dried out, and I've already had it like not even that long ago. I've tried it twice. This has been the second time, but the same thing happened the first time I used it, so it was like a dud one, I don't know, but yeah, but I don't know, it's just not like, I'm going to try to work with it, but I don't think it's really like that good. It could be just be a dud one, I don't know, but he had like bashing, but I'm not trying to bash, you know what I mean? Just didn't really work out for me, it hasn't, but I'll see what I can do. But I did go over it with this makeup gallery, like it's a Poundland liquid eyeliner in the shade black, just on the top lash line. This side's kind of watered a bit, so it doesn't look as well as this one, but hopefully it'll stop. And I did use for like my waterline this NYX Glide On in jet black. And then just for mascara wise, I used this. It's the Max Factor. I think it's Lash Crown, yeah, Lash Crown mascara in black, and then over top, just to seal it all in, I used this Rimmel Absolute Waterproof mascara in black, and yeah. I'm going to use Coachella by Gerard Cosmetics Hydramatte. I love these. So these liquid lipsticks, they are amazing, like the best ones I've tried. They don't dry out your lips and they stay on all day. Seriously, when I'm like applying this in the morning, like I'm literally taking this off at night. I want to take the makeup off before I go to bed. It's that good. Yes, it does fade throughout the day, but then when you touch it up, you need to touch it up just once throughout the day if you're going to wear it from like early in the morning to late at night. Obviously it depends on what food and all you eat and everything, because oily food does break down like any lip product. But this is seriously the best stuff, and yeah, I'm going to apply it now. But I like to overdrub my lips too, so I'm just trying to get them in a nice shape. So here's a finished look, a nice kind of classic smoky eye with a bright pink lip, perfect for nights out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again from next one. Stay gorgeous, bye.